Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil here. Today we are going to start our social studies third chapter, Going to Places. Children, have you ever traveled in train? Yes, the train moves like a snake, quick and fast, like this. Train moves like a snake, very quick and very fast. Trees and lamps posts disappear in a fit. We can sit or we can sleep. We stretch or cuddle. We can buy books or dolls. Anything we can do in the train. We eat what we brought or we order what we want. Green fields, silky rivers, and brown sand all pass by. Whenever we are watching from the train outside, we are feeling that green fields also are running. Silky rivers also are running with us. Brown sand also will pass by. जब हम ट्रेन में सफ़र करते हैं, ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं, तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे साथ साथ पेड़ भी चल रहे हैं, ग्रीन फील्ड्स भी चल रहे हैं. Let's have a fun. Train journey is the best journey you can say. This activity you have to do, children, in your textbook. Which means of transport would you use to go to these places? Write them in space provided. Here it is given some means of transport like the bicycle, car, train, bus. For these places like school, a village, movie, another city or another country, and the moon. Which means of transport would you use to go these places? You have to tick mark in the textbook. People are constantly moving from one place to another. हर लोग सभी हम सब कहीं पर भी आ जा सकते हैं और आते जाते हैं. Children go to schools and elders go to their workplaces. Like your father is going to office every day and you are coming to the schools. We travel to visit relatives and attend functions in the family. हम शादियों में भी जाते हैं, बर्थडेज पर भी जाते हैं. वो होते हैं हमारे फैमिली फंक्शंस जिसे हम बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करते हैं. Older children travel to towns and cities for higher education. Old people go to holy places like your grannies, your grandfather always used to go to the temple. हमारे दादी दादा और नाना नानी हमेशा टेम्पल में जाना पसंद करते हैं. Everybody likes to travel to spend vacations in beautiful places. We are also likes to go to the any beautiful place in the vacations, like the summer vacation or the Diwali vacations are there for us. In those days we like to travel. How people travel in olden days, do you think ever? पुराने ज़माने में लोग कैसे जाते होंगे, आपको पता है? In olden days people traveled on foot or in carriages driven by animals, like this. Animals driven these kinds of carriages or carts like the bullock carts and all. So this way people travel on foot also, पैदल भी जाते थे और इस तरह की गाड़ियों में जाते थे. They use a boat to cross the river. If supposed to be want to go by the river, to cross the river they use boats. अभी तो फ़िलहाल बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरह के बोट्स अवेलेबल है, लेकिन पुराने ज़माने में सादे वाले ऐसे बोट्स हुआ करते थे. Nowadays there are various means of transport that take people from one place to another in no time. Very quickly we can go anywhere. We have to choose our transport depending on the distance we have to travel and the place we have to reach. कि किस तरह हमें कैसे जाना है, किस ट्रांसपोर्ट को यूज़ करना है, वो हमारे पास जो पैसे हैं उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है और हमें कितने डिस्टेंस पे जाना है इस पर भी डिपेंड करता है. It also depends on the money we have and the availability of that means of transport. This activity also you have to do, children, in your textbook. Find out how your parents and grandparents used to go to their schools. As we are going to school every day, you can ask to your parents or grandfather or grandmother also that how they used to go to the school. Also you can ask, also you can do this, where do you see people traveling in bullock carts and tractors? Again, one more activity is given here. Write down the names of your friends in the boxes according to the transport they use. Your friends, how they are used to come to the school. The number of also you can write, or the names also you can write in these boxes. By school bus, how many your friends are coming. By car, on foot, or by bicycle, how they used to come. Means of transport we are going to see now. Waterways, first of all. Waterways, boats and ships are used to travel through water. Ships are mainly used to carry goods from one country to another. Some people travel by ships only for enjoyment. ये बोट्स और शिप्स जो यूज़ किए जाते हैं, इनमें अलग अलग तरह के गुड्स यानी जो कच्चा माल होता है वो प्रोवाइड किया जाता है एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री को. बट मेनी ऑफ द पीपल दे ऑल्सो want to go for fun. Some people travel, or the fishermen use steamers and boats to travel through rivers and seas to catch the fishes. फिश पकड़ने के लिए भी इन तरह के बोट्स का यूज़ किया जाता है और स्टीमर्स का यूज़ किया जाता है. Some people want to go or travel by ships for enjoyment, to have fun. Airways now. Airways are becoming popular nowadays. Many people have started traveling by aeroplanes. एरोप्लेन्स अगर आप देखते होंगे हमारे छत के ऊपर से भी एरोप्लेन्स हमेशा जाते हैं. हेलीकॉप्टर्स आर यूज्ड to travel in short distance. This kind of aeroplanes, if you have ever seen, many people have started traveling by these kinds of aeroplanes. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport, we can say. सबसे जल्दी हम पहुंचते हैं. Helicopters also are used to travel for shorter distances. अगर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना है तो हम हेलीकॉप्टर से भी जा सकते हैं. एयर ट्रैवल इज़ मोर एक्सपेंसिव दैन द अदर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट इज़ द एक्सपेंसिव यानी बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा होता है अदर ट्रांसपोर्ट के कंपैरिजन में. Children, I hope all of you understand this video. Watch this video. Whenever you are watching the video, you have to keep the textbook with you. Thank you very much for watching it. Also, do the comment, write the comment in the comment box. Thank you.